What up, YouTube? Let me fix my camera. Like I told you guys, man, I'm new to this shit. I gotta see if that's right. Okay, it is. It's probably gonna laugh your asses off at me for this, but so I got the fairing. What I had to do to it is I had to patch it down through here. I got to clean that up inside. So I found out what this fairing was off of. Someone had it on a Fat Boy. I had to patch along some of the edges. I had to fix this. It's all smooth. I still need to fine tune it. I had to patch it all around here. Doesn't look bad, huh? So yeah, I got it all done. I'm gonna I have to hit it with some real fine sandpaper now. Get all the deep scratches out of it, and DA it with like 2000 real fine, and then I think I'm gonna go black with a blue pearl overlay on everything because my bags are already black. The fairings are gonna be black, the trunk's black, so I'm gonna take my 1987 Harley Davidson to a new level. You know, I'm gonna do some things to it that they don't come with, the touring or whatever. But I got my microphone. I found it. Hopefully it's working. But don't forget, man. Hook me up with a subscribe and a like. You don't even got to like, just a subscribe. I need to get my fan base up. I know my content's not that good right now, but I'll get better. I got to figure out the editing part. So y'all have a good night and stay safe. And I'll do step by step, like when I do the car audio. Get rid of these junk, cheesy ass seaworthy. So they must be for a boat or marine grade, and getting rid of that. System's gonna be banging. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night. Later.